If you run a security integration business, you don't lose jobs because you don't have work. You lose jobs because things slip through the cracks. Calls get missed, emails get buried, chat messages get forgotten, and by the time someone responds, the customer has already booked somewhere else. The issue isn't effort. It's that intake, scheduling, and follow-up are still handled manually across too many channels with no consistent system behind them. That's exactly what Electra is built to solve. Electra is an AI agent operating system designed for the physical security industry. And the first agent we're launching is a customer success agent. Electra handles customer inquiries across phone, email, and chat automatically and consistently. When a new inquiry comes in, Electra can capture the request, qualify the job, create or update the lead, and schedule the next step with the right person. If it's a service request, Electra recognizes existing customers, creates or updates service tickets, performs tier 1 triage, and schedules on-site service when needed. Electra isn't a chatbot, and it's not a one-off tool. It's an agent operating system that integrates with your CRM and ERP tools, and it can support custom agents as your business grows. Electra is a real personality in your business. And the result, faster response times, cleaner handoffs, and fewer interruptions for your team. Nothing gets lost, nothing gets forgotten, and your customer gets the better experience from the very first interaction. So if you want to see how Electra could fit into your operation, join the wait list and we'll walk through how this will work for your specific workflow.